Hey Claudia, this is Hal again, Fireland Chevy Vermilion. Want to give you a look at this sterling gray metallic Premier Traverse. So this is not the High Country. The High Country was actually just picked up by our other store, and it's still available at this time as far as I know. So I can snag it, but this has most of the features of the High Country. The High Country will have a few more. Check out those LED daytime lights and these HID headlights. These are the headlights actually down below. They moved them lower. It eliminates the need for fog lights, and a lot of people complain that they get blinded at night by these bright lights, so they moved them down low. So it's kind of a safety thing too. The wheels are phenomenal. It does have the HD surround vision, so there are cameras up under the door mirrors and in the front, fore and aft, in the back. Oh, the sun's peeking out a little bit. Check out the new tail lights. This is absolutely beautiful car. Give you a quick look at the inside. Similar to yours, but a step up. It's a Premier. Black leather with gray piping. Outboard seats are heated in the second row, and it's got all your electrical plug-ins and whatnot. Blind spot information, all the good safety stuff for sure. Bose premium audio, memory seating. So I'll show you a couple quick things on this. So this does have the rear view camera mirror. So it flips to a camera in the back and bypasses the inside of the car, which is pretty cool. So obviously it just goes to a regular mirror. And you can also adjust the brightness. You can zoom in and zoom out. And then you can adjust the tilt as well. So pretty cool feature. On here, so the High Country would actually have more camera views than this, but crystal clear HD. You can see it's like a drone over top of you, and you can see in front of you or behind you. You can also zoom in on the front or the back with guidance. And then you can look at your front wheels or your rear wheels. So you can actually see exactly how close to the curb you are, which is kind of cool. And then you can go into a full screen mode as well. And then of course heated and ventilated seats. So hot or cold on the seats. Wireless charger, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So just kind of a quick look at that. And I appreciate you watching. So let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.